Hi, welcome back to the channel. Monique here. In this video, we are going to show you how to share photos on PhotoBooth. PhotoBooth is an app that allows you to take fun and crazy pictures. Check out our PhotoBooth tutorial by tapping or clicking the YouTube card on screen now. One of the reasons why I love PhotoBooth is you're able to share your photos on your different social media accounts.
Each photo you take will be displayed at the bottom of the screen, as well as saved to your camera roll in the Photos app. To share a photo from within PhotoBooth, just select a photo that you want to share. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see a share icon. Tap it. I want to share this photo to Facebook, so I'll tap the Facebook icon. Type a caption and tap Share. The photo is posted. Here's the post on Facebook. I also want to share this photo to Instagram, so I'll tap the share icon again, but the Instagram icon is not visible. To fix this, tap the three dots, scroll down, find Instagram, and turn the switch on. Now the icon is visible. Tap the Instagram icon, type a caption, and tap OK, and then share. Here's the post on Instagram. PhotoBooth was developed by Apple, so the options for sharing photos and posts are the same whether you're in the PhotoBooth app, the Photos app, Instagram, or Facebook.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check those out, and we'll see you in the next one.